Welcome to our oasis. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come up the metal stairs, into the door, punch in your code, that we will give you, and welcome. Here you'll find you're walking into the dining room. Wine glasses, wine rack, radio that's not mounted because it doesn't work when it's mounted, so yeah, here we have a closet where you can put your shoes. We do have a no shoe policy. Little desk, place to sit and have your morning coffee if you like. Bottled water for your enjoyment. Just flip on the light, the kitchen light here. It's the kitchen. Sawn rug, of course. We have COVID rinsed fruit, so it's all been sterilized. If it's sitting there, you know it's good. Dishes, cups, glasses, plates, service for 8 there. Coffee maker and coffee beans. Just press the button and you should get enough fresh ground coffee to make yourself a full pot. Dishwasher, stove, have cream, sugar, salt, pepper, some tea if you like, pots and pans, lettuce spinner, strainer, extra bowls, lots of those if you need, microwave, oven mitts, toaster, extra cloths, utensils here, extra cloths in the drawer next to it, dish soap, dishwasher soap, drying rack, all the things that you might need. Have a book, take a book, read a book, leave a book, whatever you like. Alarm system. Your 2 doors will not be alarmed while you're here, but the rest of the house will be. Here we have the front room. Leather sofas, lamps, place to put your feet. Nice 50-inch screen TV. I should have had that turned on. Extra blankets if you need. And down the hallway we have probably your second most important room. The bathroom. Full 4-piece bath, sink, toilet of course, and combination tub shower. All fresh and clean and sanitized for your enjoyment. Once I have a room sanitized, which I haven't done now, I'll have to redo, but I turn off the lights, sanitize everything, and I put these little stickers on the door. So if that is on the door, you know it's been sanitized. These rooms have been. I just have to redo the light switches once I show you them. So this is the master. Our rooms are small, so we've kept double beds in them so that you have room to walk around for your luggage and whatnot. Full closets. We have ironing board, blankets in all the rooms if you need extra blankets, which I'm hoping you don't have to have. So that's the master, the largest, and it has the dresser that you can put your clothes in as well. Across the hall, we have the second largest bedroom. And in here, we don't have the dresser. We have the dresser in the closet to save space for you. But there's still lots of closet space if you need to or want to hang up your clothes. And again, an extra blanket. 4 pillows, all new bedding on those. A mirror. All the things that you might need. Across the hall the other way is our third and smallest bedroom. And again, a double bed fits in here with room for you to walk around easily, which is nice. And again, in the closet is a dresser for your clothes. And still, of course, space to hang your clothes and a blanket if you need. This closet door across and the one at the end of the hall are locked. They're for my cleaning supplies. I lock them for your children's safety. Anything that we need to keep in there, just that you don't want to get out. Looking out over the front yard. We'll have some chairs there for you shortly. Nice front yard to have a game of bocce on if you want. And of course, nice big table. You can pull it out. There's a leaf above the closet if you have extra guests. Backyard fire pit, you can build a fire and sit around and just have a really nice, enjoyable time. Also at the back, if you go around to your left when you go out the door, we have a table and umbrella and chairs. And there's a couple extra chairs just right out the window here, but they're folded down. So you can sit there in the shade or over on the west side in the sun. It's beautiful in the evening with the sunset. So yeah, hope you enjoy our Oasis. Come and have a see. Talk to you soon. Bye.